Introducing the stunning 2020 Volkswagen Golf 1.5 TSI 150B Highline. This sleek and powerful 5-door hatchback in grey boasts a 1.5 litre engine and 108,859 kilometres on the clock. Loaded with top-notch features like ambient lighting, Android Auto/CarPlay, cruise control and more, this Golf is not only stylish but also incredibly convenient. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Plus, with chrome package, privacy glass and spoiler, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details.